In this video, I'll show you how to post in a Facebook group using Meta Business Suite and explain what's currently possible. Before we begin, it's important to know that Meta Business Suite is designed to manage Facebook pages and Instagram accounts. It does not currently support creating or scheduling posts directly to Facebook groups. To post in a Facebook group, you'll need to use the Facebook app or the Facebook website. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon. Then select Groups and open the group where you want to post. Make sure you're a member of the group and that you have permission to create posts. Once you're in the group, tap Write Something or Create Post. Enter your text, then add photos, videos, links, or other content if you'd like. Review your post to make sure everything looks correct, then tap Post or Publish. If the group requires administrator approval, your post will be submitted for review before it becomes visible to other members. While Meta Business Suite is a powerful tool for managing Facebook pages and Instagram content, you'll need to use the Facebook app or website for posting and interacting within Facebook groups. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.